Hey man, what it do? 392 joining. I'm back with another video. Man, it seems like I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. I'm back with another one, man. I ain't been gone too long, but I'm back with another one. But look though, today we're just gonna be a smooth little POV. I'm probably get the car washed and cleaned up, knock the little dust off, and y'all just gonna cruise with me, man. Nothing too crazy. We just chilling today. Yeah, we just chilling today. And for everybody that's new, welcome to the channel, man. And if you ain't follow my Instagram, make sure you follow my Instagram. I'm gonna have my Instagram down in the description below. And if y'all want to see like the outside of my life, like the other things, I put all that on Instagram. So my other life on Instagram. So make sure y'all tap in with the ground, man. But yo, I'm on the way to the gas station right now. I'm finna gas up. You know we gotta gas up. This big motherfucker take gas every day. If not every day, every other day. Nah, for real though. Probably like, I don't drive the car every day. So probably like, if I do pull it out, it'll be towards the weekend though. That's when I drive it like aggressively and hard. But if I'm chilling throughout the week, man, I'm chilling, man. I might get a little pull here and there, but other than that, I'm chilling. I'll drive that car real hard on the weekend, for real. But yeah, man, I'm done yapping, man. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the car wash. So we're gonna spray the car off, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the car wash. We're on the way to the gas station right now, so I'm gonna give y'all a little pull before we head to the car wash, man. All right, that's enough, man. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the car wash, man. Get y'all these down shit real quick. It sound lovely. Catch y'all at the at the car wash, man. Let's do it. All right, y'all. We done made it to the car wash, man. But look, I want to ask everybody, man. If you got a Charger or a Mopar, why this part right here get so dirty, man? This part right here be the filthiest on the car. Like, look at that. I can write my name in there. Look at that, man. That shit filthy. I want to know why this part gets so fucking dirty, man. Y'all let me know. Why do this part right here on the back of the Chargers get so fucking dirty, man? But as y'all can see, the whip dirty, man. Whip dirty, man. Big 392 dudes, man. But yeah, though, I'm finna get this spray in. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get done spraying the car, man. So let's do it. All right, y'all, we got the scat all cleaned up, and I want to put y'all on something, man. This right here is probably one of the best tie shines for the car, bro. I'm telling you, this, no drip, no rub. Why this? No drip, no nothing. And it smells good too, gang. You don't need too much either. You just need a little dibble dabble, you know what I'm saying? And it smells good too. We got the scat all washed up. You know what I'm saying? You don't need too much of this. Cover all, I'm putting y'all down. And look though, if you don't want to wash your car, man, come to one of these self car washes and knock that dirt off. I'm telling you, that pressure wash gonna knock half of that dirt off the car, bro. Yeah, I mean, when I said all that dirt was right there, look at it now. Gone. Big scat. But yeah, look at it now, man. All that dirt gone. These self pressure washers gonna get you right. It's gonna knock half of that dirt off, bro. But yeah, though, after I get down with this, we finna hop back in the whip and we finna get y'all a little POV for the day, man. Got a bug on my tie right there. Finna get back in the whip, get y'all some of this exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all hear the whip. I know y'all like to hear it. But yeah, though, we done now, so we finna hop back in the whip, man. All right, gang, we back in the whip, man. As y'all can see, listen to that thing. Easing to it. Ooh, that bitch sounds so good. I'm just giving y'all some of these exhaust notes, man. Playing with these gears, man. Hey, man, y'all let me know how y'all feel about that new EV, man. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I can't get this up, man. I can't get that raw sound or that raw V8 sound, man. I can't get that up. But I don't know, man. That new EV, it might be fast, but shit, I ain't with that electric shit. But shit, it's always good for a first try for everything, man. So I don't know how I'm feeling. Y'all let me know, cause I don't know. It don't look too bad though. I mean, but I don't know, bro. I like that raw V8 sound. You can't beat that, bro. You can't beat that. Then it come with like this fake exhaust sound in the back, like with some speakers, man. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I just like that raw V8 sound. Like, it ain't nothing like sitting in the driver's seat of this car, windows down, hot sunny day, man. Chilling, hearing that motherfucker in the back talk, hearing them pipes holler, man. You can't beat that, bro. But with that EV, you ain't gonna get that, bro. So I'm just letting y'all know how I feel about it. But it might be faster than motherfucker though. I don't know. I'm still doing my little research on it. I seen a couple vids, man. But other than that, bro, I don't know. I'm still on the fence. I'm like 50-50, bro. But they don't look too bad. I can tell y'all that. They don't look too bad. I thought they was gonna look way worse than what they did. So I ain't complaining about that. But yeah, man, I like to hear this sound. Ain't nothing like hearing that sound, man. But y'all, I ain't gonna do too much yapping, man. I'm just letting y'all hear the whip. I know y'all like to hear this thing. Look at her, she all in the street. Folk like this, you gotta stay out of folk like that way. They'll hit your ass and keep going and won't give a fuck about you. I'm telling you. You gotta stay out them folk way right there, boy. I'm telling you, look, bot all in the street. Shit crazy, man. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all some of these exhaust clips. Let y'all hear the whip. Might talk to y'all here and there, man. But yeah, I'm gonna quit yapping, man. Ooh, I just can't get that up, man. I just can't do it. And for everybody, you know, a lot of people want these cars, man. Keep chasing y'all dreams, man. Y'all gonna get it, bro. Don't give up. Don't give up, man. Don't give up. Just keep doing what you're doing. Stack your money. You gonna get it, bro. I know a lot of people see these cars on the internet and feel like they less than, man. As long as you got some wheels, bro, you good, bro. As long as you got some wheels, and if you trying, you know, trying to do your best and trying to give it your all, man, you good, bro. You know, I know a lot of people see these cars, see young people and young YouTubers with these wheels, man, but bro, if you trying, bro, and you got some wheels, and it might not be the car you want, but trust me, you gonna get there, bro. That's just a little motivation for y'all, man. You gonna get there. So just keep going. Don't give up. It's from me to you. For everybody that's watching out there, man. Just keep going. Don't give up. Cause it's on the way. You might as well go and prepare yourself. Cause that new Scatpack on the way. That new Hellcat on the way. That new Camaro SS, get what? It's on the way, twin. It's on the way. It's on the way. But I can't cut up for real, man. This traffic crazy. I know y'all hear that pop back there, though. Let's see if I can get over, man. I remember my GT days, man. Same color and all. Ooh. I remember my GT days, man. Same color. But y'all, man, I love the fuck out that GT. I ain't gonna lie. I put my own little touches on there. You know, I had that thing clean. And hey, I rocked out with it, man. I'm telling you, man. As long as you got some wheels, you good. Just keep trying. you know, everything gonna work out for you, man. Don't look on the internet and be discouraged. We got a little Marrow up here. Let's see what he talking about. Let's see what he talking about. See if he'll cut up with us, man. What is that? I think that's an RS. I thought that was an SS. But yeah, though. I thought that was an SS, man. Them SS's be getting down too, but faster than a motherfucker. Hell yeah, them SS's be getting down. Them 10 speeds ain't no joke. But yeah, man. It's traffic out, man. I can't do nothing. I gotta get y'all some exhaust clips before we end the video, though. That's why I tried to cut up back there, get y'all a little exhaust, man. But yeah. And y'all let me know some, man, right now I still got my mid-muff delete, and everybody want to know, everybody still be asking me what's my exhaust setup, man. But right now it's just a mid-muff delete. A lot of people, I turn a lot of people heads, and they be like, man, what's your exhaust setup? I had an older guy flagging me down in traffic in the Camaro SS, clean Marrow SS, asking me what's my exhaust setup, man. It's just a mid-muff delete, but I want to go louder, bro. I feel like it ain't loud enough for me, but it's loud as hell. Like when I get on it, bro, it's loud as hell, bro. It's loud as hell. But yeah, I want to go louder, man. I don't know if I want to do the full exhaust system. I don't know, man. I ain't trying to waste my money and I can just do something else. But I've been looking at a couple of exhaust systems and trying to see. But I might not even do that. I might switch it up and do something else, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh yeah, and I'm finna go stars on the roof too, gang. That's probably next. My birthday coming up soon. I'm finna go stars on the roof. Yeah, we gonna be lit. Them vibes gonna be in here at nighttime. Them vibes. Yup. But yeah, man. I'm gonna get y'all a little bit more exhaust clips before we end the video, man. So ain't too much today. Got the wood clean today, you know. Keep the whip clean, man. Keep your whip clean. Putting y'all down, man. If you don't want to wash your whip, take it to the one of them self pressure washers, man. It's gonna knock half of that dirt off, bro. If you don't feel like washing your whip, take it up there, spray it off, dry it down so you won't get the little water moths, man. You good, bro. You good. But yeah, man, I'm done yapping, man. This probably gonna be the end of the video right here. I'm gonna get y'all a couple more pulls and exhaust clips before we end the video, man. But make sure y'all follow my IG, man. It's gonna be in the description. I post a lot of daily content on there. And if y'all want to see my life outside of, you know, besides recording YouTube videos and stuff like that, be at car meets and stuff like that, y'all just make sure y'all follow me on the ground. Post reels, pictures, and all that if you want to see the whip, man. I post daily on there too, man. Story, and I post a lot. So make sure y'all follow the IG, man. I'm gonna have it in that description so y'all can follow me, man. But y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We going up, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in and watching my videos. That mean a lot to me. So we gonna keep going up, keep giving y'all this good content, man. I know this wasn't nothing too special today, but we just cruising today. Traffic was heavy, so you know. I ain't doing too much today. I know y'all hit on pause. Them downshifts crazy. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We gone. Gang, let's slow it down. Let's do a little pull for y'all. 40? Let's break it down for y'all. Long shift say I can hit that exhaust. How can you not like that? screaming back there now. And I ain't even got the window down. Going crazy back there now. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. If y'all like content like this, make sure y'all go ahead, leave a like for your boy, man. And hey, we gonna keep going up. We're gonna keep giving y'all these bangers, man. Keep dropping these fire content, man. And yo, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gone.